Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a van by Hot Wheels. It's called Quick Bite. So it's basically roughly based on the vans you see on the road, food trucks and ice cream trucks kind of thing. It doesn't really mention which brand it is. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the food truck slash van out of its box. First thing first, the paint job looks really good. White with those wheels with the white in the back and different in the the black in the front. Looks really good. It's a milk cookies. It says on this side. Let's just go to the other side. So it's a Andrew cookie supplies food truck, I guess. It says we go together like milk and cookie. So you have milk, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, cookies. So it's like milk and cookie. You do have a server inside. It's like selling stuff, I guess. Looks creepy though. So it's a food truck basically, and it actually looks nice. Looks very close to what you see normally. You have a big door opening here, a window for obviously selling stuff. You can see the steering inside, and obviously the person selling stuff, cookies and milk, I guess. Nice paint job on the side. Its company's name and the number of. Then you have got the stickers on the side. If you look closely, there is a small toolbox, and I guess that's a fuel filler. It's written Hot Wheels here. Up front, it's like any other food truck you'll see, very flat. You've got quad headlamps, this twin windshield, black bumper, small vent, hood vent. Yeah, this is the passenger side. You have a door here, you have a window on this side too. Just milk and cookies, like the paint job. So this door isn't open like the other one. This is closed. It looks like a typical food truck you would see on the road normally, or ice cream truck. Coming to the back, again, there are vents. I don't know where the tail lamps are. I can see the lamps on the top. I don't know if it's like the bumper. I don't really see a place for tail lamp. And this is kind of closed, looks like shutters in there. If you look at the top, there are few openings. I think these are for like exhaust, and this might be sunroof kind of thing. I'm not sure. I'm not very familiar with the top of the food trucks. I've seen bought stuff from them, but never really seen them from inside. You have some marker lights on the top here too, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So, overall, well, if I'm not wrong, Matchbox did few of these food trucks and ice cream truck kind of thing. I think this will go really good with them. Yeah, and if you want to make a setup, I know it's not based from any manufacturer like Chevy or Ford, but it looks good in my sense, and will make a good addition, especially with the details and the interior. Make a good addition to the collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.